John here. I'm going to tell you the best credit cards that you can get in the UK that will give you cashback, Amazon vouchers, free airline flights, and more. Credit cards can get you free stuff with no extra effort, but they can also be used to increase your credit score when used correctly. Having a good credit score unlocks better loans for you, like when you want to get a mortgage to buy a house. A higher credit score gets you a mortgage with a lower interest rate, which means you'll pay less money for the house overall. From free flights to cheaper houses, credit cards are a good thing, so long as you only use them to buy things that you would have bought anyway, and so long as you pay them off in full every month to avoid paying any interest. So, what are the best credit cards that you can get in the UK? If you're just starting out and you've never had a credit card before, you might not get accepted for a good rewards credit card that will get you those free flights right away. Most credit card companies want to see that you're a responsible borrower before they give you a card, and they do that by checking your credit report. They want to see that you have a good history of repaying your credit cards and loans. But if you've never had a credit card or a loan before, you probably don't have any payment history, and that makes you risky to lend to. Luckily, there are credit card companies that offer cards to people with no credit history, and the cards that they offer are called credit builders. A credit builder credit card won't give you rewards points when you buy things, but it will help you improve your credit score if you just use it for normal spending and you pay it off on time each month to start building up a history of on-time payments. My first credit card was a credit builder called the Aqua Classic. It didn't have any real perks, but it did get me on my way to getting my first good rewards credit card. And with that, these are the best rewards credit cards with no annual fees that you can get in the UK right now. I'll put links to all of them down in the description. First up is the American Express Platinum Cashback Everyday Credit Card. It gives you 0.5% of cashback on all purchases up to your first £10,000 of annual spending. And then on anything you spend above £10,000 that year, you get 1% cashback. So this card basically gives you a 0.5% to 1% discount on anything that you buy with the card. Not a massive discount, but I think that it's a no-brainer to take it for the zero extra effort that it takes to pay for things using this card compared with a debit card that doesn't pay any cashback. You can get this cashback credit card by applying for it using the link down in the description, and when you use that link, you'll get £10 of cashback when you get the card and spend your first £1. Another great rewards credit card with no annual fee is the American Express British Airways card. This card can give you free airline flights. You get 1 British Airways point, known as an Avios point, for every £1 that you spend on anything using the card. The cash value of an Avios point varies depending on what flight you choose to redeem your points with, but an Avios point can be worth 1 penny or more if you spend them on the right flights. So you spend £1 to get a penny or more of value back, which is at least twice as good as the Platinum Cashback credit card, where you have to spend £1 to get just half a penny of value back. You might prefer to use the Platinum card to collect cash back instead of Avios points because you can spend cash back anywhere, not just with British Airways. But if you want to maximize the value that you're getting, the British Airways card is a good choice. Another thing to note is with the Platinum card, the cashback just gets deducted from your credit card bill. So you do get the benefit of it, but you don't really notice it. Whereas with the British Airways card, once you've built up enough points, you'll get a free flight somewhere, which is an experience that you'll remember. I've been using the British Airways card for a while now, and with normal spending and the sign-up bonus that I got, I've collected enough points to get a free return flight to somewhere that would normally cost at least £340. You can apply for this credit card for yourself using the link down in the description, and when you use that link, Amex is currently offering a 12,000 Avios point sign-up bonus, and you get that sign-up bonus when you spend a total of £1,000 in your first 3 months of card membership. Another cool benefit of the British Airways card is if you spend £12,000 or more in a year using the card, you get a free second ticket for whatever flight you book using your Avios points, so you get to take a travel companion with you for free as well. If you manage to do that, you've effectively doubled the value of your Avios points. The third rewards credit card that I recommend is also an American Express card, and it's called the American Express Rewards card. You get 1 American Express Rewards point for each £1 that you spend with the card. You can convert American Express Rewards points into all kinds of things, including Avios points, so this card can act like the British Airways card. But you can also convert the points into Amazon vouchers, hotel bookings, and experiences. This card doesn't give you the travel companion voucher when you spend £12,000 in a year. However, this card does give you more flexibility with where you can spend the points. So with all 3 of these rewards credit cards that we've talked about, it all comes down to whether you want more flexibility or more value. The Platinum Cashback card gives you the most flexibility because you can spend cash anywhere. The British Airways card combined with the companion voucher gives you the most value, and the rewards credit card gives you a good balance of both. If you get the American Express Rewards card using the link down in the description, Amex is currently offering a 12,000 reward point sign-up bonus when you spend £2,000 in your first 3 months of card membership. So once you've got a credit card, you're collecting those sweet rewards points, and you're working on improving your credit score, you probably want a way to check your credit score to see how it's improving. The 2 apps that I use to check my credit score for free are called ClearScore and Credit Karma. Both of those apps show you your credit score and your repayment history, and they give you advice that's specific to you about how to improve your credit score. Checking your credit score using these apps won't affect your score, so don't worry. You can check it as many times as you want. Hard searches, on the other hand, are what you want to avoid when possible. Lenders do hard searches to check your credit report when deciding whether to lend to you, like when a credit card company is deciding whether to give you a card. You don't want too many hard searches on your credit report at the same time because it lowers your score, and that's because lots of hard searches means that you've applied for lots of credit all at once, which makes you look desperate for credit to pay for stuff. The good thing is that hard searches disappear from your credit report after 6 months, so you can apply for a new credit card once every 6 to 12 months without damaging your credit score with lots of hard searches. You can start getting credit cards at age 18. I'm 24 now, and I've got 8 credit cards, including the 3 American Express rewards cards that we talked about earlier. And I keep getting more credit cards because another factor that affects your credit score is your total credit limit. Having more credit cards, each with their own individual credit limit, increases your total credit limit, which increases your credit score, because lenders can see that you've had all that credit available to you and you've not gone and blown it all on boats and hoes. You've proved that you can be trusted with more credit, so they're more likely to give you even more credit if you want it. When more credit is made available to you, you don't want to go spending that. Not only because you don't want to be paying extortionately high interest rates, but also because another major factor that affects your credit score is credit utilization. You want to keep your credit utilization on each individual credit line below 25%. If you use more than 25% of any one of your credit lines, like more than 25% of your credit limit on any one credit card, then that's an indication that you're too reliant on credit and your score will decrease. Another major factor that you need to be aware of when it comes to maintaining a good credit score is your history of on-time repayments. Never ever miss a credit card or loan repayment. If you miss even just one, that'll have a significant impact on your credit score for 6 years. You can avoid this entirely by setting up all your credit cards to pay off in full automatically every month, and by regularly checking that the money's actually gone through to pay them off, just in case. There are some other minor factors that affect your credit score, but those are the major ones that you need to be aware of. Just a reminder, the links to the American Express rewards credit cards along with their sign-up bonuses are down in the description if you want to get those. Thank you for watching. This is Debt to Millionaire. Subscribe.